Hey, this is your Hollywood maintenance. I'm up on the rooftop of my building. There's downtown Denver right there. And we got this makeup air unit leaking. I'm gonna figure out why. And it looks like no water's going over the media, so I'm gonna figure that out too. I'm gonna take off the screen just with these 5 screws up top and pull this off, pull the screen out. But I gotta put my phone down for that. So, be right back. All right, got the screen off. We're in the back here. There's the media, it's not wet. Here's our pump. It doesn't even feel like it's on. I'm gonna figure out why. Here's our float switch here. I'm just gonna bend this down. I bent it down a little bit. Now I'm gonna see if why this isn't working, the pump. There's the electrical box on this unit. It's 220. Now I'm gonna open this up. All right, before I checked that, it just dawned on me while I was up on the roof to come check this. I'm not sure if you could tell, but it says 70 degrees. What we have it set to, it's 68. I don't think the pump's gonna run if it's not at temperature. I think if it reaches 72, the water will come on, so it can go down the media. So, but we'll just double check, see if I'm right. You hit systems, 2nd and 4th box. You'll get to this, go up to 0670. So I can unlock the keypad because I already locked the keypad so people won't mess with this. 2 is locked, 0 is unlocked. Now I can move this down. So now I'm just gonna move this down, go see if the pump's working. Go back on the roof. Okay, I'm back on the roof. As you can see, it's already starting to drip down the media because we have it set at 70. It was 68 in the hallways, so it's not going to, the pump's not going to turn on down here. I'm glad I didn't go through all that. You know, I took that apart. I had my tech go get my meter, and that's when it dawned on me. So the pump is working. It just has to be higher than 70 where I have it set, so the water can drip go down the hallways. So I thought I'll mention that. You can see the water up there too. But yeah, it's working correctly. I don't know what I was thinking earlier. I want to show you something else. Just let me get this cover back on, and I'm going to show you how to test the fuses and stuff like that. All right. Okay, we're over here to the disconnect. I'm going to shut this off. That's how you test the fuses. You don't want to have it on while you're ohming something out. Open up this disconnect box. You put your meter on ohms, which is that horseshoe looking thing. Listen for sound. And then you just put it here. That's good. That's good. That's good. Now we could check the voltage. I'll show you how to do that. Turn this on. Then you're going to have to put your meter to voltage. And I'll show you how to test. Here and here. See, I'm getting 215 volts. That's correct. From here to here. See, getting over the 200 volts. here to here. See? That bolt. See? I just want to show you one more thing. As you can see, the overflow's not dripping ever since I bent that float switch down. Right here on our makeup air. That's where all our filters are. The motor, that looks okay. Little loose, tighten it. There's our thermostat down there. Filters look pretty good. Changed them not too long ago. Alright, thanks for watching again. Alright, I'm back at the thermostat. Get the whole video in there. I'm gonna turn this back up to 70. I know it's gonna stop pumping the water, but no reason to put it at 50. The pump will turn on once it reaches this number, because it's 60 in the hallways. If it reaches like 71 or something, it's gonna pump water, get it nice and cool in here. I'm gonna relock it. So once again, you go to systems here. It'll start flashing, then 2 and 4 again. Now we're at the codes. Go to that 0670. 0670. And we're gonna lock it. 2's fully locked. See, screen lock. Now somebody just can't mess with my thermostat. I can't even change it to heat, turn it off, nothing. All right, thanks for watching.